how to add an appendix to a Word document. So if you want to add an appendix to a Word document, then what you need to do is open up your Word. And after opening your Word, like for example, I'll just simply go with a blank document. Once you're on your blank document, you need to just simply go and add a page. Like I'll just simply go and add a page. Now once you've added some pages, you need to have a page break. Click on the page break. And once you've added a page break, here, now on the next page, you need to enter something like appendix. Once you've entered, now you need to select this, and then you need to go with home and then add heading. You can also add this at the middle of your screen, and once done, just continue with your writing. That's how you can add an appendix to a Word document, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.